Jaxx Steaks Taproom, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This is very close to being the cheesesteak they teach you how to make in cheesesteak making school. It's been a long March Cheesesteak Madness, so I treated myself to a few things. Root beer slushy, several different beers, onion rings with the amazing southern sauce. This was a good trip. The cheesesteak, the meat flavor came through. The roll's a roll model. Nice crust, light bread, scooping. The meat, you could taste it. It had a little black pepper on it. The flavor came through. Cheese, we need a little better cheese distribution. We got a little cheese glacier running through the middle of this. And the onions, a little more flavor from the onions. You can see in the beer videos I was having fun and stayed way too long. Lovely afternoon, 3rd and William. Some days you just look too good to stay home. Checking out Jaxx. All right. I guess I haven't learned not to say all right yet. I'll tell you what, when I first looked at it, because you've been following me, you know, this is the year of meat. And that's thin-ish sliced. But holy mackerel, someone found the black pepper. This has got a lot of meat flavor. Black pepper really just makes that meat pop. That was a gooey bite of cheese. We did have a little bit, if you saw the first half. There was a little glacial cheese coming out of there. Tori has a line, but I'm asking her where they get the rolls from, because this is the roll. This is the roll you want. Good crisp, collapses around the bread. I'm guessing there's some scoopage going on. This is a good year to be in March Cheesesteak Madness. I needed that. I needed that bad. All right, I treated myself to the onion rings. That sauce is amazing. Southern sauce. Those onion rings, that sauce, heaven. Who's your brew daddy? Is this your brew daddy? Double chocolate raspberry bread pudding. Do you like double chocolate? Do you like it thick? Do you like it dark? Here's your daddy. Dirty Baster. It says sweetness. I hope I like it. I like the name. So I like the beer. Awesome. Tuesday night. Awesome.